Good day mga kaguro. Posible bang maging Master Teacher 1 ng 6 na taong serbisyo lamang? Yes, posible. Tara, kumpitan kita. So yung first year mo, ito yung magiging first IPCRF mo as Teacher 1. And then, yung second year, ito yung magiging promoted ka as Teacher 2. And then third year, ito yung one performance cycle mo as Teacher 2. And the fourth year, pwede ka na ulit magpa-promote ng Teacher 5. Fifth year, ito yung magiging one complete cycle mo as Teacher 5. And the 6 years, ito na yung magiging mapropromote ka na ng Master Teacher 1. Pero, kailangan ay master's degree holder ka na. So, kaya ngayon ay umpisahan mo nang mag-aral kung hindi ka pa natapos. Yun lamang. Maraming salamat.